right, guys, how about that? That's a little chubby dude. I come over here and put up a bird feed pole a while back, and when I did, I noticed it was right in an area where a mole had been working, and I came back to put some bird feed in it last night, and this mole has just been terrorizing this area that's at a assisted living here around the area where I live. And so I walked them all down last night. I come back, checked it this morning. He had already been working again. He's got maybe, I don't know, another 100 feet worked up since this morning. But I didn't know if I'd be able to catch him because of where he's at. It's hard to tell which direction he's heading. But sure enough, I got this guy. All right. God bless you all from the Mole Eliminator.